Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Your Miss Amina is back again with the general science subject. In second week, we are going to cover the second part of the unit, the human body. Before we start, let's take a quick preview of the first part, which is easier for you to connect the today's discussion. In the first part, we have already covered bones, joints, muscles, and exoskeleton. Students, read the preview points to recall the previous presentation. All human beings have similar body parts, but we look, think, and behave differently from each other. All living things needs food to grow, move, and stay healthy. With the help of the bones and joints, we can sit, walk, jump, run, and bend. Muscles needs food and exercise to work. Today, in the second part, we are going to cover organs, kinds of organs, how organs works, which bones protected the following. As you see in the picture, a person is looking himself in front of the mirror. What he is looking? Are different body organs? Yes. What are the organs? Let's read the definition. An organ is a part of your body that performs a specific function, like your brain, lungs, or skin. You might not use the word organ often. Often means most of the time or many times. But we use organs in every second. It is a special body parts which perform a specific job. As you can see the picture, it shows different organs like brain, eyes, mouth, lungs, heart. Some organs are familiar, we can recognize, but some organs are not familiar. How many kinds of organs we have? Think about it. There are two kinds of organs, internal organs and external organs. Okay students, let's start with the first kind of a organ, that is internal organs. But before we start, what does internal mean? It means something which is inside. Internal organs are inside the part of the body that cannot be seen. Let's read the definition to more clear the concept. Internal organs, vital organs. Vital means very important, very essential. So, internal organs, vital organs are the part of our body that we need to stay alive. These include heart, kidneys, lungs, liver, brain. These are some of the important organs of the human body. We cannot be seen, but without them, we are not able to alive. Up till now, we learned internal organs. But how internal organs works? For that, look at the diagram in which you identify some of the organs and their functions. So, let's start with the brain. What does the brain do? It is used to think and control your body and your actions. It actually controls most of your activities of the body. When you sit down, your brain told your body to sit down. And when you stand up, your brain told your body to stand up. It also does thinking, learning, and feeling for the body. Let's say, for example, sometimes you might feel so happy and sometimes you might feel so sad. So actually brain control all your body actions. Okay class? So now come to the heart. We all know about the heart. What is heart? But how does it works? It pumps blood to all parts of the body and delivering means to give or to hand over someone's parcel or goods. So heart is also delivering or to hand over oxygen and nutrients which you get from food to all parts of the body. The next one is lungs. What are the lungs? A pair of lungs used to breathe air in and out of the body. Hurry up students, tell me the answer. What do we breathe in? Quickly, quickly. Yes, we breathe in oxygen. And what do we breathe out? We breathe out carbon dioxide. Brilliant students, very well done. The next is stomach. But before we comes to the stomach organ, is anyone know about what does a mixer do? It beating or whisking the raw food. The stomach is just like the mixer machine. Whatever you eat, it helps to digest and turns into tiny pieces. Okay class? After elaborately discuss about internal organs, let's do a small activity on which bones protect the following important organs. This is something new, huh? Now we all know what is the function of heart and lungs. But which bone protect our heart and lungs? Think about it, class. The answer is ribs. You know what is ribs? As you see in the picture, it is look like a cage which actually protect our heart and the pair of lungs. Next, which bone protect our nerves? Think about it, class. The answer is spine, which we also called backbone. Backbone is quite a common word. Most of the time we heard about it. It actually protects our nerves in the spine. The next one is which bone protect our brain? This is not so difficult, class. The answer is skull. Skull is actually a set of bones which protect our brain. Next is which bone is protect our foot? The answer is a toe bones. A toe bones is the two biggest and strongest bone because it carry most of our weight. I hope class you enjoyed this activity. Now come to the next kind of organ, which are external organs. External organs are those organs which are located outside of your body. Is called external organs. Class, which organs are located outside of your body? Think about it. It's not so difficult. It's very easy. Hurry up, class. Let's find. First, eyes. Then, nose. Then, hands. Then, ear. And tongue. I know. Everyone must got it. What we called? A five senses organs. Yes, these all are the organs which is outside of your body. Okay, class? Now, how external organs or five senses organs works? For that, students, click the link below and watch the video which shows many ways that how we use five senses in a daily life. So class must watch the video and enjoyed it. Students, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Now let's play a small quiz. If you can see, there are the headings. Number 1 action, number 2 senses and the number 3 organs. What you can do is see the action words and identify the senses and their organs. So let's start with the clouds. Okay class, which senses we use for the cloud? Yes, we use sight. Sight means to see. Okay, and which organs we use? Eyes. Number 2 is atar or perfume. Which senses we use for perfume? Smell. And which organ we use? Nose. Number 3, fur. A fur is very sensitive, very soft, you know, that feel very nice. So which sense we use? Touch. And which organ we use? Hand. Mango. Yummy, tasty. I love mango. Which senses we use? Taste. And which organ we use? Our tongue. And the last one is singing. Okay, I'm gonna sing. Let's sing with me. Dil, dil, Pakistan, ja, ja, Pakistan, dil, dil, Pakistan, ja, ja, Pakistan. Okay, which sense we use? Here. And which organ we use? Ear. I hope you enjoy this activity and as well as clear your concept. Okay class, now we come to an end. These are your review points. Number 1, organ is a part of your body that perform different jobs. Number 2, we have two kinds of organs, internal and external. Number 3, internal organs are inside the body that cannot be seen. Number 4, external organs are 5 senses organs with which we experience the world around us. Okay students, these are your home assignment. You have to do it at home. Students, try to do it by your own self without parents' help, because we have already practiced in the previous slide, so it's not difficult for you. Okay, so let's start with the 5 senses activity. Identify the actions, write their senses, organs and make a diagram of the organ. Refer to the presentation. These are the action words. Number 1, perfume. Number 2, sunshine. Number 3, soap. Number 4, pickle. And number 5, the drumming. What you have to do is to write the sense of the particular action word, write the organ and make a diagram of the particular organ. Okay class, so this is very easy activity. Okay, so try to do it at home by your own self. Okay students, this is a second assignment. Again students, you have already practiced in the previous slide. Okay, this is related about the internal organs. Label and write the function of the following organs inside the human body. See the presentation carefully. What you have to do is write the name of the organ and its function. Take the answer from the previous slide, okay, which we have already done. Students, this is the third assignment. Complete the following. These are actually incomplete the sentences. What you have to do is to complete the sentence which make a small definition. Okay class, but for that you need to read the unit very carefully and watch the presentation. Number 1 is an organ is a part of your body. Number 2 is those organs which are located outside. Number 3 is internal organs, vital organs. Class, these activities are very easy and I don't think so that it will be difficult for you to complete it. Okay, students, soon I will share the home assignment on a WhatsApp group as well and give the complete instructions. Okay class. Class, I hope you understand the unit very well. Please read the unit to more clear your concept. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now and wait for the next exciting video. Bye class. Stay safe. Stay at home.